So let us see this problem. That is, one procedure is used to separate the isotopes of uranium to obtain material to construct a nuclear weapon. Employs a uranium compound with the formula UF6. So the compound boiled at 56 degrees Celsius, so that at 100 degrees Celsius it is a gas. What would be the density of uranium compound UF6 at 100 degrees Celsius if the pressure of the gas was 760 millimeter Hg? Given atomic masses of uranium is 238, fluorine is 90. We have 4 different options are. So here at 100 degrees Celsius they are telling it is a gas. So using the gas formula PV is equal to nRT, we can find what is the volume of it as 238 and 19, these atomic masses. If you use to find the molar mass of 1 mole of gas, and R value if you substitute 0.0821, temperature 100 degrees means it will come 373 Kelvin, and pressure, this 760 millimeters will be converted into atmospheres by dividing this one with 740 divided by 760 will be converted into atmospheres. Then after we will use the formula density is equals to mass by volume to get the answer. So mass of the 1 mole of gas we will find, that is how many grams, that will come divided by volume from the gas equation we can find. Let us see. First we have calculated what is the volume. PV is equal to nRT is the formula. From that V will become nRT by P. That if you substitute n value 1, R value 0.0821, temperature 373 and pressure is 740 by 760, you will get 31.4 liters volume. And using the uranium formula UF6, molar mass of it will come 352, is sum of the atomic masses is 352 grams per liter, grams per mole. So this molar mass is 352 grams will be taken as mass, by volume is 31.4, you will get 11.4 grams per liter is the density of this compound. So that is matches with our option 11.2 grams per liter, second option, that is the right option for this question. Now let us see this question, that is two solutions of non-volatile solutes A and B are prepared and the molar mass ratio is 1 by 3. Both are prepared as 5% solutions by weight of water. If the two solutions are mixed to prepare two new solutions S1 and S2, mixing ratio is 2:3 for S1 and 3:2 for S2 respectively, then what would be the ratio? The question is, what would be the ratio delta TF of S1 by delta TF of S2? We have options on this. See, in this question, molar mass ratio given as 1:3, 1 by 3. As we all know that molar mass is used in preparing molality of the solution, concentration of the solution. And moreover, we know this delta TF, depression and freezing point, is directly proportional to molality of the corresponding solutions. So using these things we can find the ratio of the mixed solutions delta TF. Let us see how we have made it clear. See, the first point is very clear that here we calculated the molality of solution A, that is weight by molecular weight of A into 1000 by 95, because 95 grams of water and 5 grams of solute is there, as they are given 5% solution by weight of water, right? So we have taken 95 is the mass of solvent. And similarly, the molality of B also we have calculated, that we got is 5 by mb into 1000 by 95. But we know that delta TF, the elevation depression in freezing point, is directly proportional to its molality, inversely proportional to its molecular weight. So if you want to find the ratio between the molality of A and B, then you have to write delta TF of A by delta TF of B. That will become equals to MB by MA. Why? Because molecular weight is inversely proportional to colligative property. So they have given MA by MB in the question 1 by 3. Now here we have MB by MA, that will become 3 by 1. So 3 is to 1. So if you just make a relation between the molality of these two solutions, MA, small MA and small MB, then what you will get here is nothing but MA will become equals to 3 into MB. So we should be very comfortable when we do this one. Why? Because this molality relation for the mixed solution, when we are finding this relation between small m and small mb, will be useful. Here small m we are representing in the representation of molality of the solutions, right? Then we will start doing the S1 solution. How prepared? S1 solution prepared by taking 2:3 ratio by volume. So that means volume of A is 2 and volume of B is 3. And you know the mixed solution concentration, that is M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Using that model formula, you can find this molality of the S1 solution. Molality of S1 solution is equals to molality of A into its volume is 2 plus molality of B into its volume is 3 by V1 plus V2 is 5. And but here how we got this 9 MB by 5? Because the relation MA is equals to 3 MB. So when you substitute this 3 MB in this formula, then 2 into 3 MB is 6 MB. 6 MB plus 3 MB is 9 MB. So 9 MB by 5 will come. This is assuming this is the molality of S1. Similarly, molality of S2 calculated from the problem 3:2 ratio by volume mixing of A and B. So here 3 is the volume of A and 2 is the volume of B, and molality of A into 3 plus molality of B into 2 by 5 will come. And in this expression also, if you substitute the MA value, as 3 MB, then 3 into 3 is 9 MB plus 2 MB is 11 MB by 5 will come. So 11 MB by 5 is the answer for the molality of this S2. So that means, like I said earlier, molality is directly proportional to the depression and freezing point colligative property. Similarly, depression and freezing point of this S1, S2 also directly proportional to the corresponding molalities. S1 molality proportional to delta T of S1 and S2 molality directly proportional to delta T of S2. So using that formula, delta T of S1 by delta T of S2, molality of S1 by molality of S2, if you do it after simplification, definitely you will get the cancellation value upon cancellation of MB is 9 by 11. That means what is the required ratio of this colligative property of S1 and S2 is 9:11. 9:11 is the answer for this problem. So 9:11 is B option. That is the right option for this question. Hope you understand. In this question, first we have collected the information from the problem, and using the molar masses, we found the ratio between the molalities of A and B. After that, we found the molality values of S1 and S2 mixed solutions and used that molalities in the ratio required ratio to got the value 9:11. That is the answer for this question. Thank you.